where are you?
I'm in kitchen.
Do you know I am now in charge of a new project? I will be away for 6 months.
I can't manage everything on my own at home. Please tell them that you work from here.
No, I can't do that. I have to go.
There are too many things to take care of. I can't do it alone.
You have to manage. Stop complaining.
Handwriting is so bad. Who is this? Tanvigna. Tanvigna, handwriting is so bad. Improve it. Not wrote it in cursive. Who is this? Jivita. Jivita, write it in cursive. Understood? Full of mistakes. Who's this? Vandana. Vandana, homework is full of mistakes. Vandana, come here.
Yes, ma'am. What's wrong?
You are not paying attention in the class or doing homeworks properly. What is troubling you, dear?
My and Pa are fighting a lot nowadays. I think it's my fault.
You done nothing wrong, Vandana. Your parents have forgotten to listen each other.
I'm so scared, ma'am.
Don't worry. Show them your homeworks and my correction.
Okay, ma'am. Ma.
Yes, Vandana.
Sheila ma'am asked me to show this homework for you and Pa. I did it on my own.
Oh, this is not good. Let's show to your pa.
Pa. Sheila ma'am asked me to show this homework for you and Ma.
What happened, Vandana?
You and Ma are always fighting these days, Pa. We are sorry, Vandana. We will not shout or quarrel anymore. We will listen to each other. Thank you, Pa.
Yes, we will. Come, let's all sit together and have dinner.